This is not quiet. This is not soft. This is not gentle. This is conviction, urgency, and holy fire. There are moments when a song becomes more than a melody. It becomes a message from God Himself. Bringing in the Sheaves is not just a hymn, it's a call to rise, a call to labor, a call to remember why we are here and who we serve. That is why I do what I do. That is what Christians are commanded to do. That is why the Lord sends us out into the world, because souls are slipping into darkness. Hearts are growing cold, and the fields are white unto harvest. We are not entertainers. We are not spectators. We are not here to be comfortable. We are here as messengers of the Most High God, sowing the seed of His Word into the world that is running out of time. And hear me, every seed you sow in faith, every prayer you pray in tears, every step you take in obedience, God sees it. Heaven records it. Eternity weighs it. If you have been sowing in a dry season, if you have been standing when everything in you wanted to fail, if you have been fighting for your faith when the enemy whispered that it was useless, do not stop. Do not sit down. Do not give up. For the God who called you is the God who keeps you, and the God who keeps you is the God who brings the harvest. Tonight, we don't sing this song as a memory. We sing it as a declaration. We are sowing still. We are still standing. We are still fighting. We are still bringing in the sheaves. I hope you enjoy this song. And for those of us who try to go out and harvest that field and find it empty, don't give up. Enjoy this song. Sowing in the morning, sowing seeds of kindness, sowing in the noontide and the new eve, waiting for the harvest and the time of reaping. We shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves. Bringing in the sheaves, we shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves. We shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves, sowing in the sunshine, sowing in the shadows, fearing neither clouds nor winter chill breeze, buying by the harvest and the labor in it. We shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves. We shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves. We shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves, going forth with weeping, sowing for the Master, though the loss sustained, our spirit often grieves. When our weeping's over, He will bid us welcome. We shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves. shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves. We shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves. We shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves, bringing in the sheaves. We shall come rejoicing, bringing in the sheaves. We shall come